Let's make the Jamaican Daiquiri from Appleton Estate Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start with our lime juice, freshly squeezed of course, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. 1 full ounce of your 1:1 simple syrup. Now the recipe does say you can use a demerara syrup if you'd like instead. I'm using a raw cane sugar syrup, which is part way in between. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it is a 1:1 syrup. And finally your rum. 2 ounces of your Appleton Estate signature rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Official glass is a coupe. I'm going to double strain into that coupe. Now garnish. The official garnish is a lime twist. I pre-twisted this. So I'm going to express, I'm going to wipe, and I'm going to drop. And there you have it. The Jamaican Daiquiri from Appleton Estate Rum. Drink with good spirits.